This is the Bue List. Number 1, gum. You are not allowed to chew bubble gum in class. Gum. Number 2 is pen. Take out your red pen and correct your test. Number 3 is nut. The squirrel buried its nut at the bottom of the tree to eat in the winter. Number 4 is gas. I need to stop at the gas station to fill up my car on the way home from school. Number 5 is tub. I filled the tub with soapy water to take a bubble bath. Tub. Number 6 is pin. I ripped my shirt sleeve, so I put a pin in it to hold it together. Number 7 is tip. The tip of my dry erase marker got bent, so now it doesn't work anymore. Number 8 is gift. I received a nice birthday gift from Mrs. Anderson. Number 9 is pant. A dog will pant when it is out of breath or too hot. Number 10 is noon. Our class eats lunch at noon every day.